This lesson will introduce you to some of StratPad's reports. As you've been writing the narrative of your plan and now starting to enter projects and numbers, StratPad behind the scenes is creating the reports for you. So let's just take a quick look. Under View and Print Your Plan, there are two kinds of business plans. The first, the summary business plan, is visible on the screen, and you can see your narrative is coming together, and then some of the key charts are also starting to get built. This is a Gantt chart that shows you the projects that you've entered. The metrics we haven't got to yet, but we will shortly, and then the numbers are summarized here. Under operational reports, you may have a project plan, a Gantt chart, which you've already seen, project detail, an agendas report, which recommends when to have meetings, what the agenda of those meetings could be about, and who you might invite to those particular meetings. The projections reports show you a summary of the financial information either for your plan overall, or it allows you to look at each project or each phase by itself. And of course, the financial reports show you the financial impact of the numbers that you've entered. The financial reports, of course, integrate properly with each other. If you start with the income statement and work down, the last number here becomes the first number of the statement of cash flows. Work down, the last number of the statement of cash flows becomes the first number in your balance sheet. This is exactly as it should be, and you can trust that these reports are exactly what your banker or potential investor wants to see. The worksheet, as we've already seen, breaks out the work that you've done in some detail. Allows you to see what assumptions you're making in terms of pricing, volume, and then breaks out your expenses by the accounts that you've set up. And then at the bottom shows the staff complement that you are planning on for the duration of your plan. A nice feature of StratPad is that as you are writing your plan, making changes, and then going back into the reports, StratPad will remember which report you were on and also where you were in writing your plan. So if I'm sitting on the current business project, for example, and then go back into financial reports, it will remember that I was on the worksheet. Let me move down to balance sheet, go back to write your plan. I'm still on current business, and when I come back to financial reports, I'll be back onto the balance sheet. So this allows you to play what-if games, to go back into your numbers, make the changes that you need, and then instantly see the updates appearing in the reports. Have fun exploring these reports. They'll give you some great insight into your business. They'll also really help as you tell your story to your partners, your bankers and investors, and your staff.